How to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Here is how you can check the time you have spent watching YouTube videos. First of all, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. Now, once inside the YouTube app, all you have to do is simply tap on the profile picture or profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. There, scroll down a little bit. There you'll get to see time watched option available there. Simply tap on it. You will see a breakdown that includes daily average, watch time today, watch time this week, comparisons to previous week. YouTube gathers this info based on your watch history, so make sure your history is enabled for accurate results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.